Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using ClickFunnels to apply your brand kit correctly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing using ClickFunnels, ensure you have your account set up properly. First, log into your ClickFunnels account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard, where you'll see various options. Click on the Account Settings option, usually found in the sidebar. In the Account Settings, look for the Payouts section. Here, you will see your current balance and any pending withdrawals. To initiate a withdrawal, click on the Withdraw Funds button. After clicking, you may need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Check that your payment method is set correctly in this section. If you need to update your payment information, look for a link or button that allows you to do so. Fill out any required fields, ensuring your bank information is accurate. Once your payment information is confirmed, return to the withdrawal screen. Review your withdrawal request for accuracy, including the amount and payment method. Then, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Typically, withdrawals take a few business days to reflect in your account. Once the funds are available, ensure to check your bank statement for the completed transaction. This process is straightforward, allowing you to manage your income effectively through ClickFunnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.